Hi, I'm Paul Edwards with Norton Clipper, and today we're going to replace the starter spring on a high-speed saw. The first thing we'll do is that we'll remove 4 screws with our T25 driver. Then lift the starter housing off the machine. Now we need to remove the tension out of the spring. In order to do that, fully retract the rope, then align the notch in the pulley with the starter string and slowly release the pulley so that it rotates. Now we remove the snap ring. It's best to use a set of snap ring pliers. Set the snap ring to the side. Now remove the spacer ring, set it to the side, and now lift the pulley off the shaft. To remove the spring cassette, there are 3 clips that we need to move out of the way with. Simply use a small, thin blade straight screwdriver and pry against the spring in the housing. Take the old spring cassette, set it to the side, and replace with the new. It's best to align the hole in the spring cassette with the pin in the starter housing first. After inserting the new spring cassette, we'll install the pulley. Install the pulley by aligning the groove in the pulley with the knuckle. Then pull the rope through the eyelet. Reattach the spacer. Reattach the snap ring. Make sure it's firmly seated in the groove. Once that is done, slide the rope through the pulley notch, and we'll rotate it clockwise as you're looking at it, 7 to 8 turns, no more than 8 turns. Rotating the pulley more than 8 turns will put too much stress on the spring and cause premature failure. That's 7 times, so let's give it a try. Pull the rope through the eyelet and slowly let the starter rope retract, and then test. Functioning perfectly. To reinstall the starter housing, first make sure the air inlet guide is properly positioned over the 4 bosses. Place the starter housing over the air inlet guide, pull on the rope slightly, place the 4 screws into their holes, and tighten with a T25 Torx driver. And that's how you replace the starter spring on a high-speed saw. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to check out more from Norton Clipper.